Hey friends, welcome back to Venya Digital System. In this video, I am going to show you how to save as your Word document file to PDF file without any software and no need internet connection. But you have to install a Save As plugin for Microsoft Office. Now I am opening a doc file. Click on this icon. Click on Save As. Here is available some other formats to save as. I am clicking it. Here is the other formats. Word document, Word 97-203, something, HTML file, so on, but not available for PDF. Close the Word document. Open your browser. Type Save As PDF. Select Save As PDF Word 2000 or add-in free download. Click on filerepo.com. Download 2000 Microsoft Office add-in Microsoft Save As. This site is safe to download. Scroll to end. Click on Download latest version. Download will start. Watch your left hand bottom corner. If it will not download, click again this download link. Download completed. Click on Show in folder. Double click on Save As PDF and xps.exe file. It will begin to install in your system. Click on License Terms. Then click on Continue. Microsoft Save As PDF or XPS add-in for 2007 Microsoft Office program. The installation is completed. Click on OK. Next, open your Word file which you want to export to PDF. I opened a document. Click on File option menu. Click on Save As. Here show the options PDF or XPS. Click on this option. Choose the location of the file to save. The default location is document. If you want to open the file after publishing, tick it. Select the standard publishing. Minimum size option is to use in website but will not quality. Then click options. Here you can select which page of your document will be exported. All current page. That means which one page is invisible. Next you can select the page 1 to 5 or 8 to 10. Which pages you want to export to PDF. This option for create bookmarks using. That means in the PDF you can see the thumbnails left side of the PDF viewer. Here is options for PDF. Two options available. ISO 19005-1 compatible. Another is bitmap text when fonts may not be embedded. The ISO format is the text in the PDF select as. That means you can select the paragraph or line or word and paste it any other application. The second format bitmap type is the font will not be embedded. That means you cannot copy the text or paragraph or word. I selected ISO option. Then click OK. Then click Publish. The file exported and opened in PDF Viewer. Now I am selecting some text and copying it. I pasted the copied text in the Word document. Here, some letters does not displaying properly. It shows square boxes because most of the Tamil fonts having copyright option. So it blocks to display proper texts. But English font will show properly. I am selecting 2 lines of English text. Pasted it to Word document. Here you can see the font display properly. That's all. Have a nice day. Friends, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks.